Guys, this is a vintage Yamaha 360 that a friend of mine who passed away, his son, inherited this motorcycle exactly how you see it, and he commissioned us to get it going again. He doesn't want it restored. We're going to clean it up to the best of our ability and leave it in its original state and get it running good for him. He set the budget at $1,000 on it, which goes quick at 120 bucks an hour, but we're going to do our best to do whatever we can. This is the before video. We're not taking new clients right now because we were backed up months and months, but this is kind of a special circumstance. Joe's dad, Sean, passed away in April. He's a big fan of the channel here, and they used to watch our videos together, and he asked us to do these bikes over, this 360 and the 500. So this is the before. Stay tuned for the after. Thanks for watching. God bless America. May Sean rest in peace.